Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Keena, and in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do my braid outs. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I like to do is section off my hair just to make the process a lot easier. And I did wash my hair off camera. I also decided that I was going to do a deep side part. Okay, so I did a total of 5 sections, so now I'm ready to style. So I like to do the Loc Method for my braid outs, and I like to start off with a leave-in conditioner. I use the Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In. I use an avocado and tea tree oil mixture, and I use my good old faithful Eco Styler gel to style. I also use small gray perm rods for my ends. Okay, so before I get started braiding, I like to just apply some oil to my scalp. And I'm just parting my hair, getting ready to begin my braids. Again, I like to do the Loc Method. So I'll first apply a leave-in conditioner just to bring some moisture back into my hair. Then I like to seal in that moisture with oil. And then I like to apply my gel to style. Once all the product is applied to my hair, I simply begin to plait my hair or braid until I get to the ends. Once I get to the ends of my hair, I just like to reapply some oil just to seal in some moisture and to protect my hair while they're in the perm rods. And I just begin perm rodding my hair. The perm rods are going to give my hair more of a curly look, but if you want more of a wavy braid out, then you can skip this process. Okay, so just to recap, I am going to part my hair and I'm going to apply leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going to apply oil to seal in that moisture. And I'm going to apply gel to style my hair. Again, I'm just simply braiding my hair. Then once I get to the ends of my hair, I'm going to reapply some oil. And I'm going to perm rod my ends. Okay, so I did a total of 12 braids. Now I'm just laying down my edges using some gel. Laying down my part. Gotta have those edges laid. And if you're curious, it normally takes me about 30 minutes to an hour to do my braid outs. I'm just gonna use a scarf to lay down my edges. And I'm just getting ready to go to bed. I like to let my braid outs air dry overnight. Okay, so it's the next day and I'm first taking down the curls. I'm just following the curl pattern and I'm taking my time. Then I'll be using the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Anti-Frizz Serum to prevent frizz and add shine to my hair while I take my braids down. I've been using this product for years and it smells so good and it leaves my hair so shiny and moisturized afterwards. I'm just simply taking out the braids using my hands. And I like to take my time. After I've taken out all the braids, I like to use a pick to give me the body and volume that I need. Yes. And there you have it. My braid out is curly and defined. Yes. I was feeling myself just a little bit. But hopefully this video was helpful to you in your natural hair journey. If you liked this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.